Interactive Virtual Lab Solution, Lap Joint. Click Virtual Lab button. Click to view the welding setup. Switch on the welding machine. Wear the welding PPE kit. Set the job on the welding table to form a lap joint. Click to select the tool and select plate 1 and drag it on table and then drag plate 2. Drag the workpiece to place the correct position. Select and drag to fix the clamp on table and job. Select and drag the electrode holder with electrode. Select the welding technique, electrode angle, length of arc and travel speed. Choosing the wrong option will lead to an incorrect output. Select the correct options to proceed. Pick the electrode holder and tack the pieces at both ends. Click to check the tack and root gap. Pick the electrode holder and drag on the root gap. Deposit the straight line beads on the workpiece. Remove the slag from the weld bead using a chipping hammer. Select the chipping hammer. Click on the button 5 times for chip the weld bead for deslagging. Clean with steel wire brush. Select and drag the steel wire brush. Drag the grinding machine over the welding bead. Select and drag the grinding machine. Click and inspect the deposited weld beads. Job successfully done.